Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple custom name tag keychain using Tinkercad. Whether you're new to 3D design or just want a quick and easy project, this is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to tinkercad.com. Log into your account and once you're on your dashboard, click on Create New Design. Now, we're going to create the base of our keychain. On the right hand side under Basic Shapes, drag a box shape onto the work plane. Click on it to open the sizing handles. We're going to make this base about 60 mm long, 20 mm wide and 2 mm high. Just type those numbers in the size boxes at the top or drag the corners to resize. Next, let's add the name on top of this base. Scroll through the shapes on the right and find text. Drag that onto the work plane. Click on the text and in the settings box that pops up, type your name. For this example, I'll type Wihan. Resize the text to fit inside the rectangle. We want the text height to be about 3 mm, so it sits above the base. Use the Align tool to center the text horizontally and vertically to the base. First, select both the rectangle and the text by holding the Shift and clicking both. Then click Align from the top bar and use the center dots to align everything nicely. Now, let's add the keyring hole on the left side of the name tag. First, go back to your shapes and drag in a cylinder hole from the Basic Shapes. This will be a part where the keyring goes through. Set the size to 3 mm by 3 mm and the height to 2 mm, the same as the base. Now let's place a solid cylinder just behind the hole to reinforce it. Drag in another solid cylinder. Size it to about 6 mm to 6 mm and also keep the height at 2 mm. Move the solid cylinder to touch the left edge of the base. Then place the whole cylinder directly on top of it, centered. You can use the Align tool again to help center the hole with the solid cylinder. Finally, group everything together. Now that we have our name, base and keyring hole set up, it's time to group everything together. Select all parts, base, text, keyring base, and the hole, and click Group at the top. This will merge everything into one single solid object, with the keyring hole cut out. Let's add some nice rounded corners to our keychain. In the Shapes panel, click the search bar and type Meta. Scroll until you see the Meta fillet. These are special shapes that allow for rounded corners. Drag one into the workplace and resize it to match the corners of your rectangle. You'll need 4 of these, one for each corner. Rotate and place them carefully at each corner. Once positioned, select all shapes and group them again. Take a final look at your keychain. Make sure the name is readable. The keyring hole is properly aligned and everything looks neat. Once you're ready, click Export at the top right and choose STL format. Now you can print your custom keychain on your 3D printer. That's it. You've just designed your very own custom name tag keychain in Tinkercad in just a few easy steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple 3D design projects. Let me know in the comments what name you're putting on your keychain. Happy designing and see you in the next one.
Welcome to the place where the giggles won't stop. Jump aboard the rainbow, we'll hop till we drop. Start stars are shining bright in the land of fun. Let's dance together under the warm, bright sun.